Hello to everyone! Greetings from a new video. Top 5 best hardware wallets which are safest will be discussed in this video. You've come to the correct site if you were looking for this kind of video. Let's get into it. Hardware wallets are physical devices that are meant to keep your Bitcoin secure. When you build a cryptocurrency wallet, hardware or software, you're given two sets of keys. There are two keys, the public key and the private key. The public key, which is produced from the private key, is used to establish public Bitcoin addresses, which you may share and use to receive cryptocurrency. The private key is used to sign transactions and validate your ownership of the blockchain wallet, Bitcoin. It serves as your digital signature. If someone obtains your private key, you will lose all of your crypto assets. It's for this reason that private keys must be kept private. When you create a software wallet or set up a hardware wallet, you are given a mnemonic phrase, also known as a recovery phrase or seed, which is the form of the private key and should be kept secret because it's the only method to recover your wallet or retain control of it. Is this, however, truly achievable with software wallets, whether desktop or mobile, in which all information is processed through your device and internet provider? That is why all software wallets, including exchanges and custodian wallets, are referred to as hot wallets. Cold wallets or cold storage are hardware wallets. They're intended to preserve and safeguard your private keys within the physical device's safe chip. The recovery phrase, private key, is shown on the PC or mobile device in software wallets. You're now at risk of having it stolen, and those wallets are riddled with faults and malfunctions, putting you, your wallet, and your Bitcoin at the mercy of developers and hackers. Hackers find it simple to steal information from your gadgets, such as your PC or cell phone, and hacking the exchanges. Reason for hardware wallets demand growth in Asia, where exchanges are constantly under attack, is enormous. Many software wallets, particularly those that are web-based, offer a low level of security. These are the most popular, secure, tested, and finest hardware wallets in 2022 for safely managing your Bitcoin. Number 1. Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X is compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. It may be connected to a PC through a conventional USB cable, USB-A, and to mobile devices via Bluetooth or a USB-C cable. It accepts over 5,500 different currencies and tokens. It's relatively simple to use because navigating is done with only two buttons, left and right, and you push both simultaneously to finalize operations, transactions, or access the Nano X menus. It employs a specifically designed BOLOS operating system with excellent security, and all crypto applications, wallets are segregated from one another. It works with the Ledger Live, desktop or mobile version you use to install blockchain apps, but it also enables you to buy, sell, swap, or lend crypto assets, with new capabilities being added on a regular basis. Despite its extensive features, such as support for practically all cryptocurrencies, interaction with the most software wallets, and use on dApps from DeFi protocols, games, and NFT markets, it's still less expensive than some other hardware wallets. Number 2. Trezor Model T. It boasts an integrated color touchscreen with a large display, providing consumers with a greater experience. Over 1,800 currencies and tokens are supported by the Trezor Model T. However, the user may switch to a Bitcoin-only firmware that is built just for Bitcoin activities. Trezor Model T, including all software and hardware specs, is completely open source, with any individual programmer welcome to try to identify problems or weaknesses. Furthermore, the software for the Trezor Model T has been completely rewritten from the ground up for increased security over the Trezor One's first iteration. The Trezor Model T is compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac, and Android devices, but not with iOS devices. Web USB is used to connect Trezor to an Android handset. The Trezor Model T communicates with the device via the Trezor Suite software, which is available in both desktop and online versions, or both of course. Trezor Model T is one of the most popular hardware wallets and dApps, DeFi platform choices, along with Ledger to connect with in order to provide its users with complete control over their Bitcoin. It can be connected with a large variety of software wallets to make blockchain transactions by supplying them with only the public key, public addresses, while never contacting the private key. Number 3. Ledger Nano S Plus. The Ledger Nano S Plus hardware wallet is an improved version of the Ledger Nano S hardware wallet. It has larger memory capacity for programs, 1.28 MB, than the Nano S, which has just 128 KB. It also includes a larger display, which makes transactions and activities easier to see. It still has less memory capacity than the Ledger Nano X and must be linked to a device to turn on, as there is no Bluetooth option. However, it's unquestionably superior to the Ledger Nano S. You can utilize all of the Ledger Live capabilities, much like the Ledger Nano X, and link it into third-party wallets for other blockchains. Number 4. SafePal S1. Binance Labs is backing the SafePal S1 hardware wallet program. It has an air-gapped connection mechanism and EAL5+ security certification, as well as a self-destruct mechanism in the event of offline violent attacks, and is the size of a credit card with a 1.3-inch screen and 400 mAh battery. It's compatible with 20 blockchains and over 10,000 coins. It's compatible with the SafePal app wallet, which is available for both Android and iOS smartphones. It has an integrated dApps Explorer with dApps neatly organized under network tabs, but you can also connect to them directly by typing a URL or searching for it. The LEPAL app also has an integrated swap for currencies and tokens, as well as a decentralized exchange, the Binance DEX, which you can use without leaving the app. SafePal S1 and the SafePal app, which functions as the front end, are a very functional wallet that allows rapid exchanges between currencies and tokens on multiple networks. The ability to buy them, and is excellent for accessing dApps for numerous networks like DEXs and NFT markets. Number 5. SecuX V20. SecuX offers 3 hardware wallet models: W10 for PC laptop usage only, W20, and V20 for desktop and mobile users. The V20's latest model connects to PCs, laptops, and mobile devices through USB and Bluetooth, Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Chromebook, iOS, and Android. For data security, the advanced encrypted standard AES-256 is utilized, and it has the EAL5+ certification. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Grosscoin, BNB, Digibyte, Dash, Dogecoin, Stellar, and all ERC20 tokens are supported. SecuX V20 sports a 2.8-inch color touchscreen, a diamond-shaped metal frame, and a long-lasting 600 mAh battery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment on our YouTube channel. I appreciate you coming.